Welcome to the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation, powered by a 5.3 liter V8 engine and rated up to a 8-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the vehicle: power windows, locks, and mirrors. You do have drivability dial, push button 4x4 and automatic headlights and fog lights, a leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, column shifter, push button ignition, nice large 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual zone climate control with heated front seats, integrated trailer braking system and USB ports, all black interior, as well as our heated bucket seats up front of the 2021 Sierra Elevation. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Sierra, we do have the 20-inch wheel and tire package, beautiful blacked out alloy wheels with the Bridgestone Dueler AT tires. We have color matched door handles with keyless entry, Elevation plaque on the front door, 5.3 liter V8 on the front fender. Coming to the front of the vehicle, color matched bumper and grille, LED daytime running lamps, fog lights. Making our way to the back, rear tinted privacy windows on the crew cab. We do have keyless entry. All the way at the back of the truck, color matched rear bumper, dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, LED brake lights, and the GM Multi-Pro tailgate. Jumping into the interior here, we have the cloth 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready with in-seat storage feature. Solid rear window with defrost, solid roof over top, and LED lighting with dual USB ports in the back of the center console. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 GMC Sierra. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.